We have been told that gravity on Earth is about 9.8, but this is not entirely accurate. There are places on Earth where gravity is significantly lower, and one such place can be found in the Indian Ocean. This area spans approximately 3 million square kilometers, and due to its low gravitational pull, the water here lies about 100 meters below its normal level. Because of this reduced gravitational force compared to other regions, it is commonly referred to as a gravity hole. Recently, scientists from the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore have successfully solved the mystery behind this phenomena. NASA and European Space Agency initiated the Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment (GRACE) project in 1990 with the goal of gaining a better understanding of Earth's gravitation. In March 2002, NASA launched a satellite to observe and measure the Earth's gravitation with the aim of producing a gravitational map of the Earth. The creation of this map took approximately 15 years to complete. If we examine this map, we can observe four distinct colors on it. The green area represents regions of Earth where gravity is normal, which is 9.80665 meter per second square. The blue color region indicates a gravity level lower than Earth's standard gravity, and this phenomena is referred to as negative gravitational anomaly. The yellow area, on the other hand, exhibits a gravity higher than Earth's standard gravitation, known as positive gravitational anomaly. Finally, the remaining portions, colored red, signify areas where Earth's gravity is significantly higher than normal. But why is gravity different everywhere on Earth? Gravity depends on many factors such as latitude, the rotational effect, elevation, topography, tidal effects, and underlying geology. Scientists use the geoid level of the Earth to measure gravity. In this concept, the Earth is imagined as being surrounded by sea, and scientists measure the Earth's surface relative to this hypothetical sea level. Surfaces that are found to be below the normal surface level are referred to as negative anomalies, while those that are higher than the normal surface are termed as positive anomalies. However, the geoid level was unable to explain the gravity hole present in the Indian Ocean. Scientists discovered this gravity anomaly for the first time in 1948. Since then, scientists have been attempting to understand why gravity is so low in this region. It was later determined that the concentration of mass in this area is less compared to other places, which explains the lower gravity observed there. However, scientists have yet to solve the mystery of why the mass concentration is so low in this region. Recently, scientists Devranjan Pal and Atri Ghosh of the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore dwelled into the history of this place in an effort to solve this mystery. Subsequently, they utilized 19 computers to model the movement of tectonic plates over a span of 140 million years. They observed numerous variations in each model, but one common factor among all these models was the release of low-density plumes. In simple terms, when the Indian subcontinent broke away from the African tectonic plate and moved towards the Eurasian tectonic plate, something interesting happened. The seabed of the Thetis Sea began to shrink beneath the Earth's mantle, and the Indian Ocean emerged. As the seabed descended into the mantle, it triggered the release of plumes from the mantle. This process ultimately led to a reduction in the mass concentration in this region. Please support our mission of making scientific knowledge accessible to everyone by sharing this video, like the video, and subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.